everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March, it is still March, right? March update, March 2020 update for Supernatural Pin Interrupted. This is a project that my bestie Amanda and I are doing. We have been doing this since August 19th, 2018. And we've got lots of years to go on this one. We are panning a product or setting a goal for a product for every single episode of Supernatural that ever aired. And it's a lot. It is a lot of products. We are doing 6 at a time. And yeah, I have 2 empties. Not just goals, but I have empties. And before I get into all of my empties, I just want to say thank you to everyone for all of the very nice, loving comments that you left on my Let's Talk video. I was not in a good headspace that day, and I'm getting back to my normal self. I can't say that I'm 100%, but I'm never 100%. You guys know that. I'm always going to be my wacky little self. But I really appreciate all of you guys and all of your very sweet comments. And then I had yesterday my therapeutic repressing. I figured I needed a night of that. And after my previous video, you guys probably needed like a nice relaxing night of repressing. So hope you guys don't mind that, I switched it up just a little bit. But yeah, I feel a little better now. So we're gonna get back to the real crazy Jessica. All right, let's get into the empties. Because that is what you guys are here for. My tongue-twisted self. Oh, this is really me. All right, so my empties. First one is for the, I'm going to have to say the bad word because it's in the title, All Hell Breaks Loose 2, in which the yellow-eyed demon unleashes, Jessica, say the word properly, unleashes the armies of hell. And it's all about the yellow-eyed demon. He's a bad dude. He really is. So I picked a yellow product. This is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Leave-In Conditioning Spray. That's a lot of words. And this is the Repair and Protect. It's gone. And I did use it today. I have no other product in my hair, which is why it kind of has like that slightly frizzy look, but I just wanted to give my hair a break. I didn't want to have a ton of product in my hair today. I like it. I do have a backup of this that I got in my 2000 points Ulta haul back, I think it might have been during Black Friday is when I did that 2000 points Ulta haul. Yeah, I didn't pay anything for it, which was kind of nice. And I do like it, and when my backup is done, I will replace it. Though I have this one that's a little bit different that I'm going to try here next, now that I just finished this today, as a matter of fact. We'll see how I like the pink one, so let's just go on to the next thing. For Bad Day at Black Rock. That is probably one of my top 3 episodes, my top 3 favorite episodes of Supernatural. It's kind of campy. It is hysterical. It is when they introduce Bella, and she's like she's kind of a trader for objects like talismans and stuff like that. And one of them is a rabbit's foot that the bearer, whoever has the rabbit's foot in their possession, has like this immense good luck. But if you have the rabbit's foot and then you lose it, your good luck turns like completely opposite, and just like everything falls apart for you. So that is how I chose this next product, thinking on the rabbit's foot, and of course the rabbit for cruelty-free. And I chose a cruelty-free product, which is the Wild Spirit Rosy Glow Rollerball perfume. I really like this one a whole lot. My nose is itchy. I'm kind of missing this one. It just smells so good. It smells like the 90s. It really does. And if you guys were around and wearing perfume in the 90s, you will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I really enjoyed that one. But we must move on to the next products. It's all eye products that are left in here. For Hollywood Babylon, I have the Starlux Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. I am just trying to get to the point where I sharpen this off. I just wanted to use basically the cap length up, and you can see how much I have used based on lining this up if I get my big fingers out of the way. So, I mean, I've used a little bit. I have sharpened this. Okay, color adjust. I have sharpened this since the last update, and I'm really enjoying it. So, and it was a green month, so it doesn't surprise me that I used it a little bit more in March. For Folsom Prison Blues, yeah, we all know the prison uniforms are that fugly orange. Yes, I said that word. So I chose this orange eyeshadow. This is from the Depotted Profusion Eyes palette, and this color is called Terra. I had pan in this. I had decent pan in this, and this was in one of my repressing videos, maybe 2 or 3 ago. I don't remember. I've been doing a lot of them for relaxation lately, and so like there's no more pan in there, so you know it's not visible progress, but the fact that I had to repress it, that's a good sign. Let's see. For All Hell Breaks Loose Part 1, Sam was abducted by that horrible yellow-eyed demon. He is very prevalent in this entire series, that bad yellow-eyed demon. So I chose another yellow product from the ColourPop Honey palette. Look how, like, it's all wearing off. That's how much I touch this palette. I just want to hit pan on this, and this is the color Dandy. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I do have a nice little dip going in up here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's still going to take a little bit for me to hit pan on it, but I am enjoying it, and a little goes a very long way. If anyone else has this palette, you guys know what I'm talking about. That shade in particular is incredibly pigmented. I barely have to touch my brush in there, and I can do like the entire inner third to half of my eyelid, which that's crazy, but I like it. I'm enjoying it. It's definitely good value for your money. And the last one that is a rollover is from the Magnificent Seven, and that is about the 7 deadly sins. So I took that literal, and I chose something with a sin name. This is from the Alter Ego Temptress palette. This is the shade Lust. And I've got a baby dip going in there. And yes, I did depot it out of that, that palette. This is the only one that I depotted out of that palette. I literally just heated it up on my candle warmer and then pried this thing out of there. And let me tell you, the glue on that did not want to let it go. I almost had a casualty, even spraying it with alcohol first. But I persevered and I got it out there. So, yep, I'm just going to keep working on this. This is one that I want to finish, whereas like this one, I just want to hit pan on. That is everything that is rolling over. I have to bring 2 more in. And I struggled with these. I struggled. We're on season 3 now. I do have a few stragglers from season 2, but everything new is season 3. The episode that is next in line is Sin City. And no, it's not Vegas. But might as well be with some of the stuff they got going on in Sin City. It's in Ohio, and there's like murder, mayhem, gambling, drinking, just all sorts of bad, like horrible things happening there. So specifically with the gambling and the drinking, that is what I pulled my product from, was the drinking aspect of it, and I decided to go with this buxom lip polish. I think this is a full, actually it might be a full-on lip cream. Yes, the full-on lip cream, and it's in Peach Daiquiri. It is brand new. I've never even done a swatch of it. You can see the wand is like, it pulls itself back in. It still has that suction on it. It is absolutely brand new. Let's swatch it to see what it looks like. It looks very peachy and shiny. that's it right there. I'm going to have an easy time using that one. Y'all know I love my Buxom, so I got no problem with that. And the next episode is bedtime stories. There was a lot going on in this episode, but I just took it very literal with the bedtime because sometimes you just have to make life a little bit easier. We got enough going on right now. Let's go for the easy one. I chose something that I use at night or bedtime in my skincare routine, and this is the Life Essentials Retinol. It is the 2.5%, and I've never used a retinol, like a straight retinol, before. I'm excited to try it. Maybe it'll make me look 10 years younger. Probably not. But hey, I'm all for anything that is going to help my skin look a little more youthful. Who wouldn't want that kind of stuff? So that is everything for this update. I'm going to have Amanda linked down below, so definitely go check her out. She is a little bit ahead of me in season 3, but we're kind of doing our own thing, like going at our own pace. Sometimes she'll have more empties, and sometimes I'll have more empties, and it just kind of, we've kind of been close throughout the project so far, which is kind of cool. But yeah, that is everything for this. Again, go check on Amanda. She's going to be linked down there. Check her out. Show her some love. We all need some love, even like distant love right now. You know, through the computer or through your phone, wherever you watch this video, we can, you know, not share germs through the screen. It's all good to give love that way. So, all right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful and healthy day.